Good morning to all of you. Today I am discussing about more problems on active power, apparent power. Previously we had find the values of current. Now we are going to calculate the value of kilowatts and kVA. Now active power up to 27 amperes we have considered single phase. About 27 amperes we have three phase. Single phase voltage is 230 and three phase voltage is 415. And apparent power up to 18 amperes we have to single phase 230 voltage, and above 18 amperes we have to consider three phase in 415 voltage. Now the problem is find the value of kilowatts and kVA given the load. Active power and apparent power based problems. First one we will discuss about the kilowatts and kVA. Kilowatts means the apparent, so active power, kVA means apparent power. The problem is I is given 10 amperes. Now we have to calculate kilowatts and kVA. We have already discussed up to 27 amperes we consider single phase, above to 27 amperes consider three phase. P equals to VI cos pi in single phase, P equal to root 3 VI cos pi in three phase. V is voltage, I is the current, pi is the phase angle between the voltage and current. Now in below 10 amperes we have to consider as a single phase. In active power, P equals to VI cos pi. Substitute the all values. How much we are getting? Power is 1.84 kilowatts. Now active power is over. Now next one is the apparent power. Apparent power up to 18 watts we have to consider single phase. We are given 10 amperes, so we have to consider as a single phase. In single phase, P equal to VI. In three phase, root 3 into VI. Now we substitute the all values in P equals to VI. Sorry for the disturbance. P equal to VI. Current I equals to 10 amperes. Now substitute all this. We will get how much? P equals to 2.3 kVA. Now next one is find the value of the kilowatts and kVA given load. The I equal to 500 amperes. We have already discussed above 27 amperes. So 27 amperes we have to consider as three phase. The three phase formula is P equals to root 3 VI cos. This is the one, root 3 VI cos phi. Substitute the all values in formula. We will get power. How much we will get? P equal to 287.51 kilowatts in the active power. How much reactive power? Reactive power above 18 amperes. This is one. I equals to 500 amperes, so we have to consider P equal to root 3 into VI. Substitute the all values in this formula. We will get how much power we will get? P equals to 359.39 kVA. Thank you, friends. We will discuss about next class is thumb rule. The important topic is thumb rule.